Why the long delay? What are these boys up to? Flash. It appears you guys are playing with me this time. If you disappoint me, I am going to deal with you.
How can we disappoint you? Have you forgotten all we did for you in the past? Things are more difficult now, as people are getting more conscious. Please bear with us. In the next few days we will deliver.
No. Listen to me, Flash. I am giving you 2 days. Only 2 days. And if nothing is done, I will get my men in the force to get you arrested. This is me, and that's a promise.
Okay, Chief. Noted.
Okay.
Hey, Chiefo.
You called me.
When I told you to be patient, that we will deliver, you never believed, eh?
You mean you have gotten the sacrifice?
It's settled. All I want you to ask is to bring it to the shrine. Let's take her to the shrine.
Oh, that's good. Flash, my man, I trust you.
Oh.
I know you will never disappoint me.
Anyhow, man.
But in any case, let me see what you got for me. Yeah.
Okay, no worries. Guy.
The boss.
Come.
Hey, that's good. Hey, that's my man. Flash. We will continue to do. Come on.
But the upper step. Come on, go there. Come on, payment. Good hand, go. Good hand also. Easy.
Flash. Is that the person you got for me?
Now the better mix what I believe for you.
No, Flash. It can't be. This is my daughter.
Hey, nobody tell us that she be your daughter now. Do you want other ones why they bring and call? No be other people's daughter. I beg, I don't bring this kind.
But Chief, wait to. Whose daughter you want me she be now? I don't want me to be another person's daughter.
It can't be my daughter.
Hey, you dey chop money, I be waiting. We don't deliver.
Hey.